Hey guys, it's Daniel Boudreau here from naturalmattressfinder.com. I'm currently here in the Dominican Republic and it's absolutely beautiful. Look at this incredible view here. Rented this Airbnb that's beside this really nice nature area, and I wanted to show you this Airbnb that I'm renting and also the mattress within it. So let me give you a little tour around here. Here we have the kitchen. Super nice little kitchen. It's a really cute place. And so this is the kitchen area. We got the bathroom here and the living room slash bedroom. So it's got everything you need, TV, sofa, and everything. So this is the kind of place that you can find on Airbnb in the Dominican Republic for not too expensive. But anyways, what I wanted to show you was this mattress, which at first glance it looks like a fine mattress. It's a Euro top style mattress here. As you can see, it's got this they call it the Euro top cover. It's basically like a way they sew it. It doesn't really add any particular comfort to the mattress. It's just the way they style the outside of the mattress to make it look more comfy. But it's actually just to mark where the top layer of foam is, right here. And you can see on the bottom too, it has also this layer. So what's happening with this mattress? It looks like it's a pretty relatively recent mattress. It doesn't look very old, but I've got the shower pole here, which I'm going to be using to demonstrate how the mattress has been caving in slowly over time. So let me just show you what I mean here. I'm going to try to position the camera here so that you can see what's going on. Okay, so I'm going to roll that pole slowly towards here, and you're going to see a space start to open up here, right here. See that? That is the beginning of an indentation or body impression. So you can see it's mostly on the left side of the mattress. I'm assuming because if there's solo travelers, they're mostly sleeping on that side just because the rest of the access in the house is here. I don't see why anybody would sleep on the other side if they're alone. So let's just keep on rolling this pole here, and you'll see right there that there's quite a bit of space here. So what does that mean? That means that the foam has compressed and it's lost its ability to rebound. So that means that you'll feel less pressure relief at the hips and shoulders, and you'll be more sore. That is hard on your joints and articulations, and you'll also be tossing and turning a bit more to fall asleep. Let's just get to the end of the bed here. Right at the foot of the bed, you see it's less pronounced. It's not as bad. Okay, but the part that's really bad is if we put the pole on the other way, lengthwise, you see that there's an enormous indentation here. There's my finger there, and you can see just how bad it's become. And at the head of the bed, it's not so bad, and it starts right about here and goes all the way down to the foot of the bed, which is here. So you have maybe a foot and a half here where the foam is still relatively intact, but the rest of it is kind of suffered over time. So let's just roll this across the mattress, and it's a lot worse this way. So you can see with my finger here, it gives you a little kind of a proportionate way to look at this. That's about 1.5 inches, or yeah, I would say 1.5 inches at the deepest point. Keep rolling this shower pole across. And this, I tested this before, and this is pretty much right across the bed. Right across the bed all the way to the other side. And only on the edge here is the foam pretty much intact. There's not much space there. Let me focus on that. There's not much space here on the other side. But when you get all the way back to here, on this edge, where most people tend to sleep if they're traveling alone, then you get some indentation across the entire side of the mattress, right up to the side. So I just wanted to show you that, make that distinction. So that's what can happen to regular polyurethane foam mattresses. They do look really good when they're new, but they don't last. I imagine this mattress is less than 5 years old, and it's significantly indented. It's got body impressions. It's caving in. All those things are happening to this mattress, which makes it a really uncomfortable sleep. I mean, if for temporary vacation, for a temporary stay, it's fine. But if this were my current mattress, if I was sleeping on this most of the time, I would want to change it as soon as possible. If your mattress looks anything like this, try this test at home. If you have a shower pole like this one, you can mount and dismount. It's a good way to look at the indentations in your mattress lengthwise and across, so you can really see if your mattress is due to be changed. Now, what I recommend is not to get another polyurethane mattress. They're basically all the same. They're made with a really low density polyurethane foam on the top layer, which looks amazing right when you get it, and it might be really comfortable for 6 months, a year, but then it will start to cave in. It will start to have indentations and body impressions, which means it won't support you as much. You'll wake up with more aches and pains, especially if you're experiencing joint pain, things like that, or if you're an athlete, you need to really have a comfortable, supportive surface at night. I definitely recommend going for a natural latex mattress because the foam is much more durable. Even after 50 years, it will not indent like you see here. So if you want to check out the real third-party certified natural latex mattresses, head on over to naturalmattressfinder.com. I'll leave a link down below in the description where you can get to a comparison chart and compare all the mattresses there by thickness and by mattress type. This particular mattress, which is a polyurethane, your basic polyurethane mattress, is a hybrid mattress, meaning that it has coils and foam. And on my website you can choose between the latex core mattress, which is all latex layers stacked on top of each other, and there are other types of mattresses which are hybrid, like this one, which will have the spring coils and the latex foam on top of that. So I hope you have a fantastic day. I'm going to do a little bit of work here and then head to the beach. So have a fantastic day, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.